take a fucking
what am I back again? I was trying to sleep!
We're a great big rolling railroad.
Gangnam Style.
Southern Pacific. Why there's two caps on there? Because I don't get it. Okay, this is Union Pacific 1995 from Temu. Who ordered this? Because I don't get it. And why? CSX, whatever that is in a steam wheel. Because I don't know. Hey there, Brandon. How do you liver? I'm dead. It's just CSX 3194, but I mean, at least it got crashed by a truck. Okay, I'm going to Mexico. Okay, it's just BNSF SD70 Mac 8814. I mean, I don't think what's wrong with it. Okay, I'm not gonna talk about the. Oh, fuck! Well, that thing smells disgusting. Well, at least the back is fine. Delaware Hudson? Is the cap yellow or something? I don't think it's real, but at least it got retired though. Canadian National? More like. They're real? I don't see the number and the logo, but why? I am done with my life. You know what's my favorite rail company? That's it. That is really the best company ever. Oh, looks like that BNSF C44-9W is seeing some better days now. Finally, a normal one, but what is wrong? What's it pulling the box? Oh God! Whoa! This Southern Pacific SD40 still seen with some better days, but shame that's gone though. What is that? No. Okay, no, I'm done. I hate this fucking livery. I freaking hate this. Okay, no, I'm out of here. Goodbye.
It's wizard time, motherfucker! Fireball!